What's up, guys? This is Frank with Avalon Auto. Here we got a 2015 Honda Civic Si Coupe. This one's pretty modified. It's on bags. As you can see, I have it aired out, so it's pretty low right now. See, we're tucking in the rear and in the front. Pretty clean. You got some smoked out tail lights. Got a little exhaust on it. It's got some aftermarket wheels. Stock headlights, stock front bumper. It's got aftermarket hood, carbon fiber, but it was painted black as a clear coat fade. It's got a tinted windshield, tinted windows. It's got the bride stitching on the doors and on the center console with these iconic SI seats. All right, so now we're inside. It does have a short throw shifter. Put in reverse, show you the backup camera. It's also got the turn signal camera as well. It's got this nifty little heart right here that can be removed if you want. We just left it in there, figured somebody might want it. All right, and then this is where all the magic happens. This is the air controller. So I'm gonna go ahead and start raising it. I think I went up a little too high. Somewhere around there is typically where we want to run it. You can hear that going off right now. Oops, I forgot to put the e-brake on. All right, as you can see now, we have much more clearance. We're not tucking anymore, and this goes up even higher than that. I just put it up to about 60, 70-ish. Here's that air compressor back here. It's got a little air gun so you can fill up your tires if you'd like. Got the red logos. See, here's that bride door on this side. As you see, the car's in pretty good shape. Interior's pretty much immaculate. It does have some fraying here on the back of the armrest, which honestly didn't notice till just now. Has a stock floor mats and some nice rubber floor mats as well on top. I don't know if I mentioned it already, taillights are smoked out. Let me pop the hood for you. Let me show you the exhaust. It's not too crazy, but it is there. Alright, sorry, I just washed it. It's still currently pollen season here in Georgia, so everything's kind of covered in pollen. So under the hood, everything looks pretty much stock. Got factory air intake, looks like a painted valve cover. It's got a metal oil fill cap, but as you can see, most everything is pretty much stock. There's some wiring here for the air suspension, and it is a Cybon hood, so it is a pretty expensive, nice hood. Just show a little bit of damage here, but everything still works functionally. Let's try to be gentle with it, don't want to break it. Just have a little bit of fading here, but we can touch that up, no problem. It's pretty common on these Civics. All right, well, this has been that 2015 Honda Civic Si. Currently have it priced at $15,990, plus taxes and fees, of course. It's a pretty cool one, pretty neat, pretty different. You know, we're all car guys here, so you know, we do enjoy these cars, especially the modified ones, every now and then. But if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 470-585-0474. And this one's got 95,000 miles. And again, this has been Frank with Avalon Auto. I can't believe I forgot to mention this, but it does have an Aftermarket Buddy Club steering wheel. Pretty clean. Has a little mark right there. But other than that, it's pretty good. Everything works as it should. Sunroof. Forgot to show that as well. Sorry, still learning how to do these videos. Not quite as good as Adam, but we are working on it. And again, this has been Frank with Avalon Auto. Thank you so much for watching.